Hello, and welcome to the Thinkvil simulation tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to use the rectilinear motion Thinkvil simulation. To access the simulation, visit our website at www.thinkvil.com. Before using the simulation, you should have the knowledge of what is rectilinear motion, including velocity, acceleration, displacement, and the equations of motion. Now, open the simulation and you will see this layout. The layout may vary depending on the device's display size, but the functions and their operation will remain the same. Here, this is the canvas for the simulation where the motion will be performed. Remember, in the simulation, you are an observer, meaning you will observe the same motion through the canvas as the observer would see in real time. This is the input section, where you can enter values for the simulation. Here, you can set the initial velocity and acceleration for the observer. If you want to add a vehicle, check the Vehicle checkbox. You can then provide the vehicle's initial velocity, acceleration, and initial displacement. This is the output section, where you will get real-time velocities and displacements of both the observer and the vehicle. If you want to see velocity and acceleration vectors, check the Output checkbox. With these buttons, you can hide and unhide the input and output sections for better visibility. Once all inputs are provided, you are ready to start the simulation. Press the Start button to begin or stop the simulation at any time. Now, enjoy the simulation. The simulation time will be updated on the stopwatch. Remember, you cannot change inputs while the simulation is running. If you want to pause and resume the simulation, use the Pause button. For adjusting the simulation size, use the Zoom in and Zoom out buttons. For full screen mode, use the Full Screen button. Let's understand the simulation with an example. If the observer has an initial velocity of 10 meters per second and an acceleration of 5 meters per second square, and the vehicle has an initial velocity of 20 meters per second, an acceleration of 2 meters per second square, and an initial displacement of 100 meters, after how much time will the observer overtake the vehicle? Enter all the inputs for both the observer and the vehicle. Now, start the simulation. Observe the output section and pause the simulation when the observer's displacement is slightly greater than the vehicle's, indicating the overtaking condition. Now, note the overtaking time period, which is the correct answer. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If you want to explore more simulations, visit our website www.thinkvil.com.